Hey everybody, this is Josh from Abe Roofing. What we're looking at here is an area that a homeowner had a leak in the roof showing up in their kitchen. And what he's done here is sprayed this valley with a sealant aerosol product. It may look like a quick, easy, temporary fix, but what you end up with is that leak constantly reappearing, and it's just going to shift where that leak shows up. It's not going to be a real solution for you. What you really need to do is just repair that valley, or repair the roof as a whole and replace it. Otherwise you end up, and you'll see the pictures across the screen, with some rotted out decking on your roof, which is really a bigger problem than what you could have done before you sprayed this Flex Seal on there. Now, the sooner you address the problems, the easier it's going to be to tackle those issues. So if you see something like this, or you've been doing this and you want to change what you're doing to really solve the issue, give us a call at 844-4ABE-NOW, or visit us at the link below, honestaberoofing.com. Thanks, bye.